Are we crossing a border? I've never been asked if I'm a citizen before when I'm traveling down the road. What happens to me if I refuse to answer your question?
Just stay here until you're answered.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we follow a teacher from San Diego who is stopped at an immigration checkpoint that has no actual border simply for refusing to answer a question the Constitution does not require her to answer. She is detained for hours, photographed, entered into databases, and treated as if the freedom to travel is a privilege that can be taken away at any moment. And the most ironic part of all, it is all justified with the same old excuse. We are just doing our job. So let's watch what happens when someone refuses to bow to authority disguised as law. But before we get into it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts, because if we stay silent today, tomorrow, it could be you being stopped on your way home.
Citizens.
Are we crossing a border?
No, but are you United States citizens?
Are we crossing a border? I've never been asked if I'm a citizen before when I'm traveling down the road.
All right, this is an immigration checkpoint.
Right, but we're not crossing a border.
Okay.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
So we're not recording, and I know I don't have to answer. You can ask. No, you don't have to. I don't have to answer. I've seen this before, and we did this last year when we were coming back. No, actually, I'm a teacher, and on the national level, we've been talking about this.
You can talk about it. Understand?
You can ask me. I don't have to
You are
answer.
required to answer an immigration question. You are not required to answer any other questions.
And what's your name? Your badge is covered. Come here.
Oh, that's right. Agent Elmore.
I just want to.
E-L-M-O-R-E.
And what is it that? What's the law that says we have to answer?
If you want to see, hold on. You got a vacancy?
Am I free to go, or are you detaining me?
You are being detained, ma'am.
Okay, I'm being detained on what grounds?
It's an immigration checkpoint, ma'am.
Okay, and so what's the ground? What's the violation for being
You know
detained?
what? Just for you, here we go. Right here.
So-
U.S. Supreme Court. U.S.
Right.
Martinez Forte.
No, you're covering part of it.
No, there's my point out here.
Right
See?
there.
Checkpoint authority.
So, and it's a checkpoint. We're not actually crossing a border right now, are we?
Checkpoint authority. Held up by the Supreme Court.
When?
These are the cases.
What year?
These are the cases.
What? No, because this is not a recent thing.
It doesn't have to be recent, ma'am.
We don't. So, are we being detained?
Yes, you are being detained.
For what?
An immigration inspection.
Right.
Would you like to read this?
No, I don't want to stop. Am I
That's
free to
fine.
go?
No.
I'm not free to go.
You are being detained.
On what grounds?
Right here. I've already told you.
No, you haven't. You've held up a piece
Statutory
of paper
authority.
in my
INA
face.
287. INA 274.
So I'm
Right
being
here,
ground
my
because
authority.
I won't tell you whether or not I'm a citizen, even though I'm in New Mexico, traveling on a highway that's paid for with federal dollars.
Okay, here.
So federal dollars.
I'm reading this
You
to
already illegally searched my car. You have no grounds for searching my car with a dog.
Actually,
I've been
open air.
detained
Actually,
and searched by a
That also was hung
dog.
up in court. Open air search.
This is interesting. And
Did
so,
not- that dog did not go in your car.
so if I just come through and say yes, I'm a citizen, I can just go ahead.
If the agent's justified by that answer, yes.
Okay, so if I have an accent and I'm brown, can I just say yes and go ahead, or do I have to prove it?
Well, if we want to.
Because I have a bunch of teacher friends who are sick of their kids being discriminated against.
This is a spike.
Okay. I know. I'll put it in park. I'll put it in park.
I'm trying to
There you go.
Here's the
No, I'm
authority.
just curious because my teacher friends are sick of their kids being discriminated against.
Okay. I'm not discriminating
Like,
anybody.
I have friends in San Diego who get their children harassed because they immigrated from Mexico. Their teacher, their kids are born
I'm
here,
asking you a question.
and they're tired of it.
Okay, I'm asking you a question.
Yeah.
Okay?
What happens to me if I refuse to answer your question?
Just stay here until you're answered.
I'm a teacher. I'm on vacation. I got time.
If you want to stay here, that's fine.
That's fine.
I'm trying to explain everything to you. I'm showing our authority.
No, I'm very curious about what happens. I'm very curious about what happens.
Right here. Do you want to read this? Oh,
Nope. I want to see what happens when I refuse to say that I'm a citizen or not.
That's fine. So you're unwilling to answer the question.
I don't think I have to in this country.
Okay,
I'm
well,
traveling down the road.
the
It's the
Supreme
only
Court
way to
says
go.
otherwise.
You just funneled us into a place, took everybody's picture, because you can document us.
Ma'am, look, I understand.
No, I get it. I know you do, and you're doing your job, and you're going to
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
doing your job. And you know what? That's what the brown shirt said in Germany. Everybody was just doing their job.
I get
so
it.
I'm not going to make it easy for you guys to do your
No,
job.
that's fine, ma'am, and I get it. But look, if you just tell
I'm-
whether or not you're a U.S.
I'm
citizen,
traveling down
you'll
the
be on
road.
your
It's
way.
the only way to get to my house. It's the only way to travel down this road. And I don't think anyone in this country not crossing a border should have to get pulled over, have their picture taken, loaded into the freaking database for this country,
Ma'am.
for everybody to come through and do facial recognition software.
Totally get your point, but the point is you're taking the fight.
This
We're
is
doing
it.
our
This is
job.
it. You refuse to get up and off the back of the bus, or this is it.
But ma'am, you're taking the fight the wrong guy.
Well,
You're at Walmart.
you know
don't
what?
like the pricing.
I don't
You
go there
argue with the
either.
stock board.
I absolutely don't go
You don't
either.
make the laws, man.
I boycott that place as
I don't
well.
understand. I'm trying to explain to you our authority. I did. Okay, we have authority right here.
So I'm not telling you whether I'm a citizen or
The
not.
Supreme Court
Okay,
justification
well,
of
we'll
it,
just have to
that's fine.
detain you. Until
Okay, great. Where are we going?
No problem.
So you're
I'm just
detained. I just want to be clear. You're detaining
You
me
are being detained,
because
yes.
okay,
But
and I'm not free to go.
do not pull forward. No. you're
Right.
not.
Please do
You
not
are
go
being
forward.
detained. Please
We
do
don't
not
want
pull
your tire
forward.
Right,
That's a spike you.
Okay. So you're just going to wait here?
We'll just wait.
Okay.
ready the whole time. You guys are the ones detaining me.
Yeah, we are detaining you because my job here,
I know.
by law, and our authority as immigration officers is just to establish citizenship. You could be
I'm
Swedish,
not
you
crossing.
could be French,
I'm not
you
crossing
could
the
be
border.
Canadian. You're not.
Not
But
crossing
you
the
are
border.
100 miles within. You
If
know,
I didn't
Mom, you
speak
would be more
English,
concerned
if I didn't speak
if you were a
English,
terrorist
then
and we
I would.
caught you,
Yeah.
you would be more concerned, wouldn't you?
If I didn't speak any English and I pulled up here and couldn't answer your question,
Ma'am, do
and
you
I
know how
spoke
many illegals
and I
speak perfect
spoke
English?
Swedish,
Do you
and
know
no
how
one
many-
could translate for me, would you let me through?
Do you know how many people from another country speak perfect English
I-
and are not U.S. citizens?
Do you? So
That
if
has
I
nothing
didn't
to do
speak,
with it.
this is my question. If I didn't speak any English or Spanish
We'd find a
or a
translator.
language, you would just sit here until you found a translator,
Yes, ma'am.
or you would
could prove to
assume
me-
that I wasn't from the
until
country.
you could prove to me that you were here legally.
Right.
If you did not speak English, then I'd be satisfied. But it was a simple question: are you a U.S. citizen or not, or what is your citizenship?
I'm
You have been on your way.
passing a federally funded highway, driving, minding my own business, and I get pulled over and asked if I'm a citizen.
Yes, that's right.
Not answering. So if you're ready to let me go, I'm ready to go.
Are you ready to answer the question?
No. Call the person back and have them spell it out for you.
What was her name?
Suzanne Connolly.
Suzanne.
They all think it's me because Shane is a guy. See who they show papers. Dude, stop eating.
Money was like, this is not the fight. It's like, we're not even fighting. Like, we're just,
Not answering
Yeah.
the question.
although mom does get kind of aggressive, but
Oh, it's my nerves.
No, I know.
It's anxious.
I mean, who wouldn't get kind of aggressive?
It's not aggressive.
no.
I'm being assertive. They cannot like my tone, but guess what? I'm not a fucking border patrol agent. I don't have to stay calm.
And they're not even staying.
And they're not staying calm.
She was like
Literally,
yelling
she,
at you.
literally,
Did you
were
record
just,
that?
Yes, I believe I did. Yeah, I did.
you were just like, do I have to answer? And all of a sudden, he's like, I am border patrol, and you're going to answer the question.
You gotta read this. It says here you gotta answer my question.
Right here, right now. Mom, do we have the megaphone?
Yes.
It's in the truck. Yeah.
Damn it!
I do.
I can reach it. Want me to
No,
try?
I need the key to get it out. I just want you. So you're detaining us and not letting my son use the bathroom.
You're detained.
So if you're detaining people, you can't let us use the bathroom. That's fine. I know.
Ma'am, as soon as you're ready to state your citizenship,
you're not-
you are free to go as soon as you
So
state your citizenship.
mine's gonna be posted
You will
online.
be detained
Where
here
are you gonna
until
post
you
yours?
state your citizenship.
Okay, so when you detain people, you don't give them access to a bathroom? No. So no bathroom access. So how long do you detain people while you deny them the use of a bathroom? Is that still your supervisor?
My supervisor?
I do.
Right there. Can I get her again?
Yes, please. I mean, we're just like, I just want the facts.
You don't even know the facts.
I don't need to.
All you do is your history.
I don't
You
need
need to
to.
go back and check our authority to be here. That's what you need to do.
I need to learn the history.
I don't understand what your point is right now. What's the point of you doing this? With your children in the car. Okay.
Yeah, generally for me with my children in the car, it's to teach them to fight back against oppression and
What are
bigotry.
you fighting back against?
Oppression right now. I'm traveling in our country, the land of the free, and we're not free.
Authority to be here. You're with 100 miles of the border. It doesn't matter whether or not you cross the border.
So we just traveled through
Learn your law.
Indiana, Illinois, Pennsylvania, Michigan, what other states up there? New York, New Jersey. At no point did we cross the border patrol checkpoint. We were in Detroit. We were leaving Detroit, and it's odd because I'm like, there's not a single checkpoint leaving Detroit. And you're literally on the border. So
Who has
how
to use
long?
the bathroom?
He does.
He can come inside and use the bathroom.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Go ahead. So it's not true that you detain people indefinitely and don't let them use the bathroom, because that's what she said.
We try to help out what we can.
Right. Well, she said no, we couldn't use the bathroom, and she was the supervisor. I think she's upset. Yeah.
Well, you can't use that bathroom.
I didn't ask to use that bathroom.
We have one. We don't use it.
She pointed to it.
We have one. We don't use it. Let the public use.
Right.
Don't worry. We got it.
Thanks.
Come on, buddy.
California plates. Look, he's brown. He's brown. I'm taking video. He's brown, huh? That guy's brown.
And
California and has a mustache. Oh, wow. And has a mustache. That's why I'm like, it's interesting to see you guys make show whether they're citizens or not. No, you don't. Think some people show papers. That guy was brown from California with a mustache.
There are some cars. It's 2 seconds.
There was a shit ton of cars that they went by that did not even get checked. So if I say yes and you don't believe me, what do you do? And I keep saying yes, I'm a citizen. So that's my question, because a couple people showed videos are all brown. Why am I answering that question right now? So my question is, right? No, I get it. I know. Yeah. Right. So the people that we see you actually making show papers are all brown.
It's because when we question them, if they're showing any kind of paperwork, they might be B1, B2, you know what that is?
Right. So if they're brown and have a really thick accent and say yes, they're a citizen, you just believe them?
You know what?
I don't know. So the question is, if they're brown and have a really thick accent,
Color has nothing to do with it, man.
and so you can just say yes.
I question everybody as their citizenship.
I'm looking at what I see happen. So,
If that was the case,
and it usually is a race issue.
if that was the case,
I mean, it's great if we can pretend it's
you would have
not.
been released already. If that was the case,
Oh no, you guys are trying to make a point. Like,
thing
clearly
is-
you guys are like, no, I get it. Because last year when we did this, they just let us go. They're like, we don't have time for
you're not the only
this.
person we've done this to.
I know.
You're the third person
Oh,
today we've
I'm
done
sure. I'm sure. How long did they stay?
this. How long did they stay? It all depends.
No, I know, but well, you were here. How long did they stay?
Actually, eventually, all pretty much answer the question.
Right.
Hold on a second.
Oh yeah. But the question was, how long were they detained?
They didn't answer that.
They didn't answer that. Should I stop? Yeah. Oh, that's fine.
They did, but I guess you guys have been here for a while, right?
A little bit.
A little over an hour.
Rental and necessary checks have been made for you guys. By the way, you guys are American citizens, all of you guys.
Really?
According to our checks, you guys should be proud of that, especially the young kids in the back. Keep that in mind. Be proud of who you are and you're doing American, by the way. So, yeah. I'll give you this. You guys can educate yourselves on that a little bit more.
Thank you.
Yep. It's a shame that you're not proud to be American, in my opinion. So.
No one said that. I don't think anybody should be proud based on where they're born, because it promotes nationalism, which is the basis for fascism, which is how people end up going to war over their national pride.
As an American, you guys should practice your voting privileges. Have you
Are
done
we
that?
free to go?
Have you done that?
Are we free to go?
You're free to go now. Thank you.
You too.
Thank you.
And that is exactly why videos like this matter. Because what happened here was not about safety or borders. It was about testing how far authority can push when people stay silent. This teacher did not yell. She did not threaten. She simply refused to give up a right. She never lost. And the reaction tells you everything you need to know. So if you believe freedom of movement should not come with conditions, hit the like button, share this video, and make sure you are subscribed. Because the only reason this kind of overreach survives is because people stop paying attention. Drop a comment below and tell us where you draw the line. And as always, know your rights, stay calm, and never consent.